Buying your ticket for the Eiffel Tower is fairly straightforward, and I would recommend doing it in advance to avoid disappointment on the day. The queues can be massive. There are long wait times if you want to buy a ticket on the day, and it could even be sold out. So it's best to get this ahead of time. I'm going to show you how to first get it on the official website, and then I'll show you some alternatives. So to get it on the official website, you first need to go to the official website, which I've linked in the description below. And you can see here, you can just click on this red buy a ticket. And it's going to load to the page to show us the different dates for availability. So I'm just going to pick a random day. And you can see here, they even show you like these are like the last tickets available. So I'll just pick this one as an example. I'm going to say it's just myself going. Then I'm going to click continue. And it's going to take a minute to load what my options are for going up the Eiffel Tower. There are a couple of options. So you can see here that on this particular day, it looks like it's actually sold out. So what I want to do is maybe I need to select a different day. So this is why you do need to book this well in advance. I would not wait till the last minute. If you know you're going to Paris and you definitely want to see the Eiffel Tower, definitely plan ahead. And so since I'm just doing a tutorial, I'm not actually going to Paris, I'm going to pick a completely different day to show you all the different options. Let's try a date in April. It's just myself. Click continue. It'll take a second to load. And you see here, the top level, the summit, is sold out. It's really popular. Everybody wants to go to the top. So we have the second floor, and you can see here how far up it goes. So I'm going to click on that, and it shows me the different tours and the different options. So here we can have a guided tour in English. We can go by lift and have a glass of champagne. The stairs in Champagne is sold out. Again, just the lift and just the stairs are sold out for this particular day. So in this case, I'm just going to pick this guided tour in English. You can choose whichever one works for you, provided it's not sold out. As you can see, it's a very popular activity. So I'm just going to click this, and it's going to show me my available times. And you can see that there is very limited availability. So I'm going to click on that one time that is actually available, then click confirm. And so here we have the tickets. It shows me what it includes, and then I'm happy with it. Notice you only get a limited amount of time to make your selection. So if you're not sure, probably maybe just go ahead and get it and then try and figure it out. I mean, it is a very high demand attraction, as you can guess. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click confirm. You can see here it wants my details, so fill these in as it pertains to you. You can see here, you just need to click that you agree to the terms and conditions. And then here, notice that once the tickets are assigned, they're unmodifiable. So you cannot just like try and give it to a friend or try and sell it. So once you've done all of this, go ahead and click continue. Here we have the payment page. If you have a promotional code, go ahead and apply that. And here we have the different payment methods. You can see here on the right-hand side, double check that you do have the correct date and time and you are purchasing something that you're definitely going to use. And then if you scroll on down, we've got the terms and conditions, and it's kind of this grayed out button. And that would be where you basically click to pay, but you have to scroll all the way through these terms and conditions, click this box. And so for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm not going to buy a ticket to go up the Eiffel Tower. I wish I was, but I'm not. So when you buy your tickets on the official website, what you can do is definitely make sure you keep the email confirmation of your purchase. And also, if you make an account, you're going to want to remember your username and password, just so that you can come back later if you need to go over your tickets or even print them out again. And so when you pay for your tickets, you're going to get them emailed to you, and it is recommended that you do print out your e-tickets before you arrive at the tower. And it needs to be printed on a blank sheet of A4 paper. It needs to be blank on both sides. Alternatively, you can just show your e-ticket on your smartphone. As long as the barcode can be scanned, you can use your ticket that way. And so an alternative way of going up the Eiffel Tower would be to have a look at Viator. This video is not sponsored by Viator. I just happen to use them regularly. I think that they do a great job of breaking down the different activities, and their booking platform is very simple and straightforward to use. So I will include my affiliate link with Viator in the description below. While I am a Viator affiliate, this video is not sponsored. So I have gone to the Viator page. I'm looking at the Eiffel Tower, and you can see here we have all these different options. So you can click on, we'll just say this one, and it's going to take you to a page where you can select the different dates and times. They do have some of them grayed out. So if I just click on this date, click apply, and then it's going to show me all the different times. And so you can see here, there are also other options if you want to do. You might even see here, we've got this Rakuten cashback. If you have a Rakuten account, you can get some cashback on this. If you don't have Rakuten, I'll include my referral link in the description below. And you can have a read through of these different reviews. Some of these might even just be tours where the guides will take you up. So here you see here's a guided tour by elevator versus ones that you would go up by the stairs. Some of these will have access to different floors. So just have a read through all the different tours available on Viator. They do other cities around the world. I've used them basically on all of my trips I've been on, and it's been, I would say, a very good experience. I know during the pandemic, when there were lots of refunds having to go out, they were so easy to contact. Their customer service has always been really good. And when you do pay, you just get an email and they'll send you the e-tickets that way. You can use them in your Apple Wallet, for example, or you could print them out if you really wanted to. Or you can even do a book now, pay later, and you pay usually like up to, I would say 24, 48 hours before, depending on the vendor. But I find they're really, really easy to use. For example, I'll just click on this one so you can see how the booking process goes. Pick a random date here. It shows me the different times. I'm just gonna pick that. And you see here's that reserve now, pay later versus book now. You see here they want your contact details so they can contact you if needed. And you can even contact them if you need to speak to the vendor. You can select your tour guides, language, any special requirements, anything of that sort. And then the payment details, they do take all major payments, including Apple Pay. And if you have any promo codes, you can enter them here. And really that's it. They're very straightforward with their booking. And like I said, they're all over the world. And that's it really. There are so many options for you to do while you're in Paris. And I hope you're able to find something, whether you book it directly with the venue or you find it on Viator or another booking platform. And that's it. It's that easy.